What? I said ribs. Ribs. I want. Do I have to? Does Wayne Brady have to? Oh, hey guys. Hey, what's up, Catalina? Wayne Brady here. I was supposed to be there with you, right there on the beautiful island of Catalina at the Santa Catalina Film Festival, but I got work. You know, brothers got bills. I got 15 kids. Me got 35 jobs. No, not really. Google me. Neither one of those are true. But I was supposed to be there with you in Catalina, and my portion of the whole evening was to introduce music and its importance in film. A funny song can make a funny scene in a funny movie even funnier. A dramatic song, the swelling of the strings, the timpani, Celine Dion beating her chest, can make you root for Leonardo DiCaprio even as he's sinking to the bottom of the ocean. That's how important music is in movies. Just imagine The Bodyguard without I Will Always Love You. Imagine Ghost without Unchained Melody. It just wouldn't be the same movie. So that's what this is about. Beautiful movies, great films. And to link the two, it's my pleasure to introduce some of my best friends walking the face of the earth. There's a little group, I think y'all may know them, called All For One, that released a song years ago called I Swear, which has been in countless movies, commercials, all over the place. Babe, what's the name of that one movie? Oh yeah, the Social Network. I like that movie. That white boy is rich. You know, and Friends with Benefits. Huge, huge songs, still around to this day. And also, they sang a song for the Hunchback of Notre Dame movie for Disney. Beautifully haunting song. So tonight, they're going to do both of those songs right here on the stage. So, via satellite, I would love to introduce my buddies, All For One. They promised that I could be in the group. I swear by the sun.